Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this really cool window cleaning system. And when I say it's a system, that's because it actually uses two integral parts. One is washing the windows, and then the other is to remove that water and to leave you with that streak-free shine. So this actually came with a nice spray bottle that actually had a piece here that attaches onto the top with this nice microfiber. They actually send you with a couple of these that just simply slide on, and then you use this hook and loop to tighten that down, and that's going to provide us our scrubbing surface. So we're going to go ahead and put that on here like this and tighten this down. That's part one, because this nice sprayer, even on the side here, you've got your traditional sprayer settings where you can spray it, or you actually have a lock on there. And then it does come with a set of cleaning gloves if you're wanting to wear those, which is nice. They seem to be a very high quality glove. And then you've got a charging cord for this, which this is our finisher. This is what we're going to use to squeegee off and remove any excess water, because this is almost like a little mini vacuum cleaner for your windows. It actually has a nice high milliliter capacity here that can actually hold quite a bit of water, only weighs about 1.6 pounds, and has over 2,000 PA worth of suction. So it's actually going to be able to go over there and suck off any of that excess water using this nice ribbed bottom and this nice flange on the top to redirect that water into here. And then we just can simply pop this off and dump it out, or remove it and take it with you and dump it out in the sink. So what we're going to do is go out. I've got a really nasty window we're going to go show you and work on this and see what it can do. So I've got my sprayer here. I'm going to go ahead and show you it easily. You can put some cleaner in this, or you can just use water. We've just got some water in here right now, and this allows you to spray as you scrub. This had a lot of really nasty pet feet and everything all over that, and that's going to allow that to get all nasty and scrubbed. Now if I just leave this like this, it's actually just going to dry really streaky, but turning this on, this actually is going to go ahead and suck all that water. I can see it right now. It's actually sucking that water right off of there. That actually streaked that right off of there, and it actually put the water in here. You can actually come down here and look. It's actually got the dirty water. I'll kind of dump that out right there. It actually pulled all that dirty water out right there, which then left this a lot cleaner. And of course, it's easy for you to repeat the process. Our window was really disgusting, so this actually works really pretty well. I'll go ahead and do a little bit of it up here, kind of show you one more time, kind of what we got going on up here where it's a little less dirty. I do like the fact that it has the sprayer piece and that squeegee piece built in, because again, you're going to end up leaving a lot of excess water. This just sucks that excess water off of there, which is really kind of neat. And it seems to work both ways. You can go up and down, or side to side, or both. If you were using a little bit of cleaner in this, with some ammonia or something, it would easily dry that a lot faster, but I'm pretty impressed with how quick it is and how lightweight this is. I think it'll work well for many windows to come.